So let's talk about using aller, which means to go, to speak in a new tense, not just the present tense. We're going to use it to speak in the future tense. But to do that, we use aller in the present. And this is just like what we do in English. We say, I am going, and then we add an infinitive verb. I am going to study. But we don't have to make some new conjugation here. We use the same ones that we have here, this table, and then we put it with another verb. So if we say je vais, and even let's just use aller again. Je vais aller. Now, this is what's called the futur proche, the near future. This is a future tense. I am going to go. So I am going to go to the café. Je vais aller au café. I am going to go to the café. So that is the future. That is the futur proche. We have conjugated, this is our conjugated verb, aller, followed by an infinitive verb. Okay, that is our futur proche. That is different than if we said je vais au café. This is the present. This can mean I go to the cafe, I do go to the cafe, I am going to the cafe, but I am going is the present. But look, it's not a big jump here. So do not confuse the two. We are going to learn several other tenses. So you need to have this one down. The futur proche is when you conjugate aller. Yes, this is conjugated in the present, but you are putting it with an infinitive verb, and that is making it the futur proche. Again, just like English. Je vais aller. Now you can put any verb after that. Any verb, so long as it is infinitive, as in not conjugated. It ends in er, ir, re. In English, I am going to. It begins with our to. That is a signifier for this is an infinitive verb. To eat, to jump, to I'm going to go, to study. Okay? Je vais manger. I am going to eat. Je vais manger. And if you're going to use a different subject, that's fine. Use a different subject. Il. But now you need to use the different verb that goes with il. Il va manger. He is going to eat. So again, the second verb is infinitive. Infinitive. Now, if you're going to make this statement negative, he is not going to eat, then again, it goes around our conjugated verb. Il ne va pas manger. Je ne vais pas manger. The ne and pas go around our conjugated verb. And I really want to emphasize this. I've been talking about it and talking about it. I want to write it down clearly for you, because this happens so often, no matter how many times I say it. So I'm going to write it down. I want you to put like a big sad face next to this stuff, because this is all wrong. These are all the mistakes that it's easy for an English speaker to do, and I want you to avoid them. Never ever, never ever, never ever say, je suivais. Je suivais manger. Sad face. Okay? I know when you see that, you're like, but it means I am going. No. Remember when I told you je vais can mean I go, I do go, I am going? We do not need this suis. We do not need it. Okay? So just because you see or you think am does not mean you need suis. You need to think about, is am in English a helping verb? Am eating? Am going? If it's a helping verb, you better focus on what verb it is helping. That's what you need to do, and that's what you need to get into French. So, je vais means I am going. You do not need suis. Je vais manger. You do not need to suis to say I am going. So, here's some other things that would be equally as wrong. How about she is going? Your English brain might think, oh, elle va. No. Okay? Elle va étudier. Étudier. Also wrong. Okay? We do not need est, just like we do not need suis. Elle va means she goes, she does go, she is going. Do not add in est. That's the same thing with nous sommes. This is, again, a similarly wrong statement. Nous sommes allés. You are thinking, oh yeah, we are going, or maybe even you might say, nous sommes allons aller, and make it even crazier here. Nous sommes allons aller. No, don't. I know you're thinking we are going, but no, we do not need it, because this is we are going. We go, we do go, we are going to go. Okay? So please watch out for that, and remember that in English, sometimes am or are it's just a helping verb, and what you need to do is you need to focus on the main verb and conjugate that into the French.